Hi everyone, I'm Steve here with Rob Greenwood. Rob's our personal training director at Fitness for 10 in Sparks. If you're in the area, you can go down and say hi to him. So thanks for being with us, Rob.
Hey, thanks for having me, Steve.
Okay, Rob, so let's say I'm kind of an intermediate lifter. Let's say I'm 50 years old and I'm an intermediate lifter. I've been lifting. I'm not advanced, but let's say I want to go to the next level. I want to put on, more lean tissue. I want to burn more body fat. I'm ready to take that next step. And let's say I'm, maybe 18% body fat. So I'm not obese, but I could be leaner. I could be healthier. And, I've got average strength for my age, and I want to take the next level. First of all, let's talk about how many days. And, well, I'll tell you that just this imaginary person, I'm already working out 4 days a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I go in, let's say, average strength, and that's what I'm doing now. And I'm in there for about 45 minutes to an hour. So I come to you and I say, look, I've hit some plateaus and I want to go to the next level. What would you have me do?
First, I'm always gonna try to find out as much as I can about you, how you were training before, and kind of go off that. I don't want to take you to a complete 180 and you never train this way and throw you in for an hour. It'll never work. So I'm assuming you're kind of doing what I've already been doing. Average 3, 4 sets of 10. Okay, good. That's good with me. I'm gonna take you in a higher volume, more sets, more reps type of training. I'm looking about 12 to 20 reps for about 5 sets. I want to focus on really sharpening the muscle up and doing enough work to burn a lot of calories through the workout. So we're going to be about 60 to 80% of our 60 to 80% of our max reps
Max?
or max weight for the training style we're at, trying to get as close as we can to 5 sets and as close as we can to 20 reps, all 5 sets. But I always throw, let's shoot for 12 to 20 because the first 3 sets we might get 20 and then fall down to 12. As long as we're in that rep range, I'm happy that we're sharpening the muscle up and burning calories at the same time. I'm going to take you through about 5 different workouts, and I would probably start with you're training 4 days a week, you said?
Yeah.
All right.
Say I'm doing um, an upper body, lower body. I'm doing upper body Monday and Thursday and lower body um, Tuesday and Friday.
Awesome. So if we're hitting lower body and upper body twice a week, I'm going to split it up a little bit. I'm going to do a little more high intensity, 8 to 12 rep range. On the first or second day, it doesn't matter. And then back to the opposite, I'm going to do the 12 to 20 rep range. So we get 2 styles of training in the same week. That'll give us a little bit of recovery time from the amount of weight we use from each day, too. So one's going to be high intensity, higher weight training. The other one's going to be catered to longer sets, longer reps, burning more calories, giving the muscle more detail.
So would you have me do different exercises than what I'm doing now? Let's say I'm doing bench press and shoulder press and stuff like that. Would you have me do different exercises just to kind of mix it up? Or would you add, you said you're going to increase sets. Would you add another exercise or two to what I'm doing now?
Yeah, I typically change the movements, or I
Change it all.
change it all the time. To me, if it's a flat machine press, a flat bench press, or flat hammer strength press, you're hitting the same angle, working the same muscle. I would just switch it up so we're never in the same routine. I don't ever want to turn into the hamster in the wheel, I call it. Who works the hardest and gets no change. So always going to throw different stuff at you, but we're still going to hit the same muscle groups every single week.
All right, everybody. So if you have questions, this is a good video to put your questions in the comment section because everyone's different. I just described one person for Rob, a personal trainer, to um, guide or direct me into the next goals that I have. So if you guys have questions, if you have goals, put them in the comment section and I'll have Rob answer those questions for you. So Rob, how do they get a hold of you again on social media?
It's going to be trained by Rob, and that's on all platforms.
All right, thanks for being with us, Rob.
Hey, thanks for having me.